Hello everyone and welcome to this new video from BI Way. If you're finding us for the first time, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with new videos from BI Way. In this new video, we'll see how to create modern visual tooltips in Power BI. So let's get started. Since mid-2021, Microsoft has released a preview of the modern visual tooltips feature, which allows us to perform the drill actions. So let's see how it works. In this report page, I have a clustered bar chart where we display different versions of sales amount by product category divided by continent using small multiples. The visual has also a hierarchy and I also created another report page for the drill through action. Okay, so when I hover over a bar chart, we can see the old tooltip. The new visual tooltip will help us drill down and drill through on a data point without having to use the right-click menu or the header for the visual. Let's enable this feature and see how it helps us. First, we need to turn on new tooltips for new reports. To do so, we go to File, Options and Settings, Options, then Preview Features. After that, we select the Modern Visual Tooltips checkbox, then restart Power BI Desktop. For my case, I have already selected the checkbox. Next thing to do is to turn on new tooltips for existing reports. This time, in the report settings of the current file, we select the checkbox under Modern Visual Tooltips. Good, now that we enable the new tooltip, we can go and see how it looks like. When I hover over a bar chart, we have the option to drill down on the data point or drill through. If I select drill down, the visual updates to display the next level in the hierarchy and filter to cell phones, for example. And we can drill up also. And same applies to drill through action. Another cool thing is that the style of the new tooltip changes based on the report's theme colors. And we can customize it in the Customize Theme dialog. In the View ribbon, click on Customize Current Theme, then select Visuals, then Tooltips and choose your color. Nice, right? The last thing I want to show you is that currently drill actions in the tooltip aren't available for all visuals, for example the matrix visual, line and area charts. Also, the drill actions aren't available in the report page tooltips. Here I have created a simple tooltip page. If I add it to the visual, and hover over a bar chart, as you can see, we don't have the drill actions. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, post them in the comment below. If you liked the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with new videos from BI Way. See you in the next video.